me, Trev. Welcome. Today is Saturday, 26th of October. It's still October. Welcome to my new vlog. It is very windy today. Very windy. I better get in the car. And it's blowing like mad, really. It's gusts of winds. It's absolutely unbearable. I think this sort of wind will pick up anything. Will pick up anything off the ground. It'll knock bins over like those. I've seen a few wheelie bins in the streets. The wind just blows them right over. Like the wind doesn't even care. It'll just blow it over. They don't care. The wind doesn't care. Look at that, it even knocked my chair over. I've got two chairs and a little table over there. I sit over there sometimes just to relax. The wind keeps knocking that over. Now look how dusty this car is. It's very dusty. Look at this. This is dust picked up from the usually gets picked up from over in the Mallee area, the western districts of Victoria, and into South Australia because it's all flat country. These are my new tyres. Yep. Later I'm going to have to get the back ones done. But these front ones are the worst ones, really. You know, these are very new. Look how dirty the car is. My windscreen. I better get in the car. It's blowing like mad. Now I've got to go into town to do a little bit of shopping. Some things I forgot to get that I didn't get yesterday. So I need to get something for Smoothie Trev, so I can do your smoothie sometime in this vlog. So yeah, don't forget now also tomorrow night I'll be putting up a clip on my Trev's Music channel. So go to that, Trev's Music channel. I'll put that up on the link up in the description box. I put it usually on these. I usually put about 3 descriptions, three links that you can go to. One is Trev's Music channel, and there's one called EASTSIDE, WESTSIDE, Time to Kill. You can click on that and check out our short films. I'm in it. I'm acting in it. So check them out, and also my good friend Frank McKay. Frank McKay. He has a channel, and check him out too as well. He's a good friend, so you'll love him. And so anyway, we're going to go into town, and there's no rain at the moment, so it's just wind. Really, it's a real annoying, really. See you in a bit. Okay. Now, I've just been shopping in Aldi, and it's starting to rain. Just got in the car just in time. Look at the rain spots. Look at that. Do that. Look at the rain spots. And I just saw Frank. Thank you, Frank. It's good to see you again. Yes. And so now I'm heading home. I've got to go and get some fuel and head home. Yeah. It's absolutely raining. Now I've just got some fuel, and it is absolutely pouring. Caught in the rain. Oh. There's Bunnings. No, not going to Bunnings today. Frank went there. This morning he was telling me. Oh. going down Newman Street. This is where a lot of industries here, mechanics, accident repair specialist. Went there to get my car repaired just recently. If you have an accident, well, that's the place to go to get your car repaired. Got joinery there, kitchens and joinery. Tough tyres. Winning tyres. Maybe I should have gone there to get my tyres. Exhaust and off-road. That's my windscreen wipers walking away. Now we're going down Greta Road. And I'm going into Vincent Road. Gonna get wet. Sorry, buddy. Now we're going down Vincent Road, where all the shops are. Always been shops. Roundabout. Hairdressers. That's where I get my hair cut. But unfortunately, his hairdresser's up for sale, so it's going to be sold. So he's getting out around about November, so I better go and get my last haircut before he does go, because somebody else takes over the hairdressers, most likely put the price up. The hairdressing, I mean, it only cost me what, $16 just to get my 2-minute haircut. 2 minutes. So whoever's going to buy it out will probably charge more just for a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Snip, snip, snip. That's it. You're out. Well, we made it home. Look at those pretty flowers. Yeah, in my garden. I going to make today? Now, I'm sorry on the last vlog I didn't do the smoothie because I forgot that, the bananas. Banana. So I got that this morning. And so what we're going to make? Now this one is for Halloween. For you Halloween enthusiasts. And here in Australia, when, well, we're not sort of very well prone to Halloween. It's a sort of American thing, yeah. So I think I heard it was brought up in England, am I right? That's right, in Britain. I'm not too sure. You can correct me on that. I really don't know. Someone I heard it started in Europe somewhere. Halloween. So whether that's a fact or not, I don't know. But anyway, it's all fun, really, I guess. What I'm going to make today is one for the Halloween. It's called a Green Monster Spinach Smoothie. Yeah, it's a healthy one. So what we need, spinach, of course. Yeah, a banana, peanut butter, and Greek style yogurt. You can use vanilla yogurt if you want to, that's fine. Milk, and well, that's about it really. And some measuring spoons, 1 tablespoon and a cup. And of course we need a glass to drink out of. So let's get to it. We need, for the Green Monster Spinach Smoothie, we need 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of milk. And this 1 banana. These are all sliced up, so just put them in there. I slice them up because it's easier for the blender to blend it. Because sometimes some things the blender has a bit of a hard time cutting up, blending things. So it's best to put them into pieces, it's easy for it. Put that in there. And we need 2 cups of spinach. Just break them up into pieces and just chuck them in there. And I'm going to put another lot in there yet. So I'm just going to break it up a little bit. Put it in the cup. So we want 2 cups of that. 2. Okay, that's about it I think we need. I'll chuck that in there as well. And we need 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Doesn't matter whether it's crunchy or smooth. We want 1 tablespoon of that. Get that there. Put that in there. There it goes. Make sure it's all in. Peanut butter tends to stick, don't they? They're going to stick on the knife. That'll do. Alright, now what we need, 1/2 cup of vanilla yogurt. Or any yogurt, doesn't matter. You can use Greek yogurt. If you're looking at going on a diet, like me. 1/2 cup of it. So, we need 1/2 cup. Okay, that's 1/2 cup. I'm just looking for the cup measurements. Okay, how am I going to do this? Put that in there. There we go. 1/2 cup of yogurt. Put that in the blender. Make sure it's in. Then that's it. Then we blend it. Now blended our green monster spinach smoothie. Yeah. It's all green. Look at that. All green. Oops, I'm spilling some. Let's have a taste test. That's not bad. It's not sweet, which is good really, because it's good if you're on a diet. I mean, you want it, and you don't need the sugars. Well, this is the stuff to make. Well, there you go. That's quite nice. Quite pleasant, really. It's quite pleasant. It's enough to bring the monster out of your closet. So there you have it. Green Monster Spinach Smoothie. Next time, wow, Smoothie Trev. Of course, this is the last of Smoothie Trev. So I'll be back probably in the new year. Smoothie Trev will come back, and also Milkshake Trev might come back in the new year as well. So we'll see how we go. Happy Halloween. I think I saw a monster. Monster. Look at that hail. Look out. chocolate.
It smells good.
It smells good.
It tastes good. A piece for me.
You caught me.
Say for me, 'cause I love you.
The Devil's Chocolate. You caught me. Now look, I've just completed the tracks of the song The Devil's Chocolate. Now yesterday, I think it was yesterday or the day before, I did the guide vocals. As I was telling you about the guide vocal, that means I did a retrack again of my vocals to keep it smooth it out. So I did that, that's completed. And I've just done the lead track as well, the lead break. I thought I needed a little bit more colour in the lead break. So I've done a bit of guitar lead break in the song of The Devil's Chocolate. So anyway, that's all completed. Now all I have to do is mix it, like edit it and mix it down. And so it's sounding good, sounding pretty good. That's The Devil's Chocolate. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that smoothie too as well. Better take that off and stop that. Yeah. So that is completed now, and then I've got to do the edit and the mix down. So after once it's completed, all the songs are done, then I go on to the next songs, the next new songs. So actually I'm writing a song, you might have remember the song called Visions of Daddy. Remember I did that one, I wrote it and it's recorded. And Visions of Daddy, I'm sort of starting to write a new song about my father, because our Visions of Daddy was all about my dad. So I'm writing one called That's My Dad. So this one's getting a little bit more into deep depth of my dad's life, because he was a house painter for 45 years. A house painter, he painted buildings, short and tall and big, and commissioned houses. So here in Wangaratta, if you live in the commissioned houses for years, he would have painted your house. Yes, that's my dad, Harry. Yeah, he even painted the Smoothie's building, Smoothie's, which is right in the centre of Wangaratta, at the traffic lights, right on the corner of Reed and Murphy Street. He painted the flag mast, and the dome. So that's my dad. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed that smoothie too as well, that green smoothie. That was really awesome. And that's the last of the smoothie and also the milkshake trev. So I'm sure I'll bring back those in the new year. So lots of other things may be happening from now till Christmas. So I forgot that's not very far away either. So anyway, until Sunday. Well, Sunday, don't forget, meet on Trev's music channel. There will be a clip on there and a song on there. So until Monday, I shall see you then. Create harmony, peace, bye. You never know what I get up to next. Bye. I might do some more recording. Yeah. Bye.